Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10. Gilly. Growing up without knowing her parents, the orphaned Hanjar learned at an early age to fight against life's challenges. Since she has no one but her brother, she has become a warrior young woman who stands on her own feet. Hanjar is ready to do anything to save her sick brother from this challenging life. Jihan, the sole heir of a wealthy family, accepted the idea of an arranged marriage from his mother, Muqaddar, who told him that he must have a son to continue their noble bloodline. Muqaddar is attracted by Hanjar's beauty and finds her suitable for her son. Although she does not like the idea, Hanjar accepts this marriage in order to cover her brother's treatment expenses. Number 9. Inji Taneleri. Azam, who has a happy life with his wife and two children, is a literature teacher loved by his students. His life changes completely in a single night as he goes to prison for killing his wife. However, the reality is different. Azam has a secret that he cannot tell anyone. Azam, who has spent several years between four walls, has only one goal when he gets out of prison: to find his children and to sit on a dinner table with them again. But but this will not easy at all. When he was imprisoned, his children were taken under state protection, and from there they were adopted by different families. When he gets out of prison, he spends the first night in a nasty hotel which he would normally never choose. This is where he will choose paths with Dilbar, who is one of the hotel's regular customers. Number 8. Sandi Kakusu. Karsu is a woman in an unhappy marriage. Her husband Riha is an abusive man and useless father. So when Karsu gives birth to their third child, she realizes that she can't take care of all her children on her own. She sends her 3-year-old son Kuze to Istanbul to stay with her mother Filiz for a while. However, on the journey to Istanbul, Kuze goes missing. After 3 years of searching, Karsu happens upon Kuze on a trip to Mersin. Karsu is relieved to be reunited with her son. However, Kuze, who now goes by Denise, does not recognize her. Karsu will have to fight to win her son back while dealing with her challenging family situations. Number 7. Khan Chichikleri. Khan Chichikleri tells the moving story of Dilan and Baran and the marriage they are forced into to end a blood feud despite the hostility of those around them, igniting a passion that will either blossom into love or bring devastation. Baran must put aside hatred of his enemies to save his brother and overcome the guilt he feels over an attack that killed his mother. As he seeks to bring peace to a family vying for revenge, destiny comes calling when Baran's uncle reveals he has tracked down those who attacked his parents, but his uncle hides a terrible secret. He is lying a trap and he's actually the person behind the attack, hoping to get his hands on the family fortune if Baran were to take revenge and go to prison. Number 6. Shakir Pasha Ailesi. The series is based on the true story of Shakir Pasha family, an Ottoman dynasty shattered by scandal only to give rise to some of the 20th century's greatest artists. In 1911, Shakir Pasha was a retired Ottoman commander and history writer living on Bucada when his eldest son Jivad returned from Oxford with an Italian wife. They all lived together in the family villa where the Bohemian Jivat was increasingly at odds with his military father, who disapproved of Jivat's wife and lifestyle. But Jivat's wife became infatuated with the older man and he was unable to resist. So began a chain of events that tore the Shakir Pasha family apart, which is just the beginning of their remarkable story. Number 5. Yali Chapkani. Hali Saga is the owner of a large jewelry empire and the head of the Korhan family. Even though his son Orhan and oldest grandson Fuad run most of the business, he still makes the most important decisions in the company. His younger grandson Farid, who is the total opposite of his brother Fuad, is a very irresponsible young bachelor who just returned from abroad where he went to study. Hollis can't take any more of Ree's recklessness and he charges his widowed daughter-in-law Ifakat with finding him a nice girl to marry. The news that Hollis Aga is looking for a bride for his grandson comes like a bolt from the blue into Kazem's mansion in Gaziantep. Kazem's only hope to get rich are his beautiful daughters Suna and Seiran. Number 4. Syakalp. Sumru left the children she gave birth to at a young age and built a new life and family for herself. Malik and Nu learned their mother's identity from their grandmother's final words and set out to find her. Sumru, who is now married to one of the Cappadocia's wealthiest businessmen, Samit, continues her lavish life with the children she had with him. However, she has different plans regarding Samit's son from his first marriage. Jihan, the paths of Malik and Nu, who are seeking to confront their mother, will unexpectedly cross with Jihan and his reluctant fiancée, Sibilai. Number 3. Bir Geze Masali. Mahir, whose father was assassinated in the city of Denizli by Kurshad Kilimchi, returns 20 years later as a police inspector determined to avenge his father's death. On his first day back, he has a fateful encounter with a mesmerizing girl named Jan Fiza, the daughter of Kurshad, and instantly falls in love. As Mahir searches for this mysterious woman, he also keeps a close watch on Kurshad, waiting for him to slip up. Mahir realizes his chance will come at the wedding of Kurshad's daughter, but what he doesn't know is that this event will change his life forever, marking the beginning of a night filled with unexpected twists. Number 2. Isarat. Orhun is a successful businessman who was raised in a wealthy but loveless family along with his twin sister Nihan, younger sister Noorsha, and their cold, distant mother Afife. Some time ago, Nihan left to do volunteer work as a doctor in Eritrea, but recently he has been impossible to contact and her family is worried about her. Orhun decides to go after his twin sister and bring her back home. While looking for his sister, he comes across Hira, a poor girl living the life of a prisoner at the hands of traffickers. When they find out that Nihan has been poisoned and killed by a local gang, Orhun breaks down. When it emerges that it was actually Hira who was set up by the gang and poisoned his sister, Orhun hatches an evil revenge plan. He will take Hira home with him, but rather than saving her from life as a prisoner, he will make things even worse for her. Number 1. Zambili. The series will tell the sweet and bitter events experienced by four friends born and raised in a town called Zambili, with an emphasis on friendship and brotherhood. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.